Have you ever heard what a black hole sounds like? Of course, sound doesn't travel in the vacuum of space. But in 2003, NASA scientists discovered a black hole in a supercluster of galaxies in the constellation Perseus. It generates sound waves that ripple through the surrounding cloud of gas and dust. In 2022, astronomers used the Chandra telescope to record these waves and convert the oscillations of the gas into real sound. It turned out to be the lowest note ever recorded in the universe, and to make it audible to humans, the sound had to be amplified many times and raised by 60 octaves. Now I'm going to play this recording.